everyone, welcome back to the Millennial Cruiser channel. My name is Kaylee and my husband Brandon and I love to travel together, and we are in the process of preparing to leave this Friday for our big Disney trip for 2022. So today I thought I would show you some of the new merch that we've picked up in preparation for our trip. There's a lot of really great stuff, so if you're interested, please stick around. Because we've done quite a few Disney trips in the last couple of years, we've acquired a lot of merchandise over time and don't need to buy necessarily as much each time we go on a trip, but it's still really fun to add new things to the collection. We like to focus on purchasing really affordable stuff for our trips and stuff that we can wear over multiple trips. So today I have quite a few new really cool shirts to show you. I have some casual clothes that I picked up to show you, and I also of course have a new set of ears. So let's get right into the haul. So this is the new little sundress that I bought, and it has a drawstring that goes all the way through the neckline and ties in the front. This is the pattern. This is what sold me on it. I absolutely love this pattern. I think it's so summery and pretty. It does have kind of a natural like elastic waistline, and then the skirt is about knee length. I probably will bring my little jean jacket in case it gets chilly at night, although it's looking like it's gonna be pretty warm while we're down there. You just never know with Florida, so I'll probably wear this with a little jean jacket or just plain. To go with that dress and with my bathing suit and just like hanging out by the pool, I also bought some new sandals. These are just brown over the toe and then ankle style sandals. They're very, very simple, but I figure I can wear these with pretty much everything I own, so I think they'll get a lot of great use. Up next is my new bathing suit that I purchased, which I'm very picky about bathing suits, and I have to say that this one is a winner, and I want it in like all the colors it comes in, which is a lot. So these are the bottoms. They are a high-waisted type of bottom, and they also are cut very high on the hip. So if you like that look of like a lot of your hip and leg showing, that's definitely these type of bottoms, but they feel super secure, which I really like. The back is full coverage, love that. And this top piece is a really thick elastic band. It's very secure. They arguably are a tad bit tight on my abdomen, so just keep that in mind if you purchase this bathing suit. I'd say maybe size up. This is the dark teal color as well. I don't have a bathing suit in this color and I absolutely love it. This is the top of the bathing suit. So this is just a simple triangle top. The straps are adjustable. I love when they are, because I feel like that's half the problem with a bunch of my bathing suits is the top not fitting right and the bottoms, and like you're buying it as one piece, so you're buying like the same size for both pieces. So sometimes if they're not adjustable, that can be really tricky. But these are, and then it just closes in the back with this little clasp. It's just a metal clasp. There is padding in the top as well. It's not super thick padding, but it is there, just know that. And it's kind of like a crepe material. It feels really nice though. I wouldn't say it feels cheap at all, and especially the band here, this is nice and thick and good quality. So I give this bathing suit 5 stars. I really like it, and I want like 5 more of them in different colors. Last up for my casual clothes that I bought are these new shorts. So these are black jean shorts. They're high-waisted. I'm really into the high-waisted stuff, and I have these shorts in light wash as well that I wear constantly. I've worn them to Disney a million times, and I've worn them to Disney the last 2 trips we've done, and I really, really love them. They're just super comfy to wear all day. These are nice and like thick material. They're nice and substantial. They do sit really, really high on my waist, just as a heads up. If you don't love that super high-waisted look, I wouldn't go for these, but I figured I should get them in different colors because I obviously already have the light wash. So I went with black. These will go with quite a few of the different t-shirts I'm wearing, and I'm just gonna kind of alternate between my 2 pairs of shorts that I have now. These shorts and everything else I just showed prior are all from Shein. I will be linking those down below. And now let's move on to the Disney wear. So up first, I will show you the shirts we got from Kohl's. If you guys watched our prior haul video from, I believe, March of last year, we bought 2 or 3 different t-shirts from Kohl's because they always have really great Disney themed shirts for really good prices. So they're usually 2 for $25, and they were 2 for $25 this time as well. I have a Kohl's charge, so it's very easy for us to just hop on over there and to get a great deal anytime we go to Disney. So up first is the shirt I bought. So this is a men's small, or maybe it's unisex. It doesn't say, it just says small, but it is Star Wars, and it is a navy blue color, kind of like a lighter navy blue with the Millennium Falcon. It's got little stars all over it, and then obviously the classic Star Wars at the top. I wanted just a simple Star Wars shirt. I'm a huge Star Wars fan, but I didn't want anything too crazy. And I have some really cool Star Wars ears that I'm gonna be wearing that I will show you, but they're not my ears. We'll get there at the end, but they're not my ears. My friend is loaning them to me, but they are Star Wars themed. So I wanted to kind of get something to go with the whole outfit. I'll probably wear this shirt with my black shorts because when you see the ears, you'll get it. And now for Brandon's Cole's shirt. So this is what he got. I love this. So it is a neon Baby Yoda Grogu with his little cup. This is so cute. It is the brand Neff, which I believe is that snowboarding or skateboarding or something along those lines. It's some kind of snowboarding or skateboarding brand, I think. Tell me in the comments. This was part of the 2 for $25 deal, and Brandon just wanted something really funky and cool, so we went with this one. I really like it. He got it in a size medium, and it's actually pretty big. Okay, up next isn't a brand new shirt, but it's a shirt that I actually picked up when I was at Disney in September, and I wanted to show it in this haul video because I love it so much, and it's still technically new. It will be coming with me on this trip as well. So this shirt I purchased in Disney Springs. I purchased it at Unico. Is it Unico? I may be saying that wrong. I'm gonna put it on the screen, but it is the big casual wear store that's in the center of Disney Springs. They have a bunch of Disney inspired stuff, and then they also have regular clothes too. Brandon actually bought shorts there when we were there last time, and he loves them. He wears them all the time. He wore them all summer, but I got this shirt. So it's Winnie the Pooh, and it's just like the black and white, and it up close, like you can see, it has little elements of the story in it and all the classic Winnie the Pooh characters. I got this shirt specifically to wear with my Winnie the Pooh ears that I have, and I just absolutely love it. It's so soft, and I've washed it many times, and it hasn't shrunk or anything. It's great quality, but yeah, so I thought I would show you guys that. Okay, moving on to the last shirt, which is actually a custom shirt that I created myself. So Brandon and I are going to be doing something different this time. We're going to be drinking around the monorail, which is something neither of us have ever done, and we're very excited for it. So if you don't know what that is, you basically get on the monorail and you go to the 3 resorts on the monorail line. So the Polynesian, the Grand Floridian, and the Contemporary, and you drink at their bars. And I believe each resort has at least 2 bars, so it's gonna be a good time. We are planning on filming that day, so you guys can check that out once it's up on the channel. But I wanted shirts for it, and if you guys watch Pirates of the Caribbean, you know that there's a part in the movie where Jack Sparrow, in the original movie, where Jack Sparrow says, "A wedding, I love weddings, drinks all around." Now, I thought drinks all around would be a great phrase for a shirt on the monorail bar crawl, because it's like we're going in a circle. So this is the shirt that I made. I designed it in Adobe Illustrator, so I'm gonna bring it up close. It's got the monorail underneath and then outlines of the 3 resorts above it. I had this shirt made through Spreadshirt. We each got one in this dark gray color. This was just like one of the classic t-shirts. It came in a million colors, and they came so quickly. I was shocked at how fast they shipped to us, and it was all very, very affordable. I think for both shirts, it was about $40, which is roughly what I would have paid on Etsy or something like that. So I was very pleased with these. They're great quality, and we can't wait to wear them and do the monorail bar crawl. Okay, now moving into non-clothing items. So we did get new masks for this trip. I actually bought a pack of 6 on Amazon, and this is just an example of one of them. This one's the purple one. They came in all different colors, so we have a bunch. They do have the adjustable ear straps, and they have the inner piece here for blocking fog, and then they have a metal nose piece in here, so they're pretty good. They also have a slot for a filter. So these, I believe it was $20-ish for 6 or $15 for 6. They were very affordable on Amazon, and so far we really love them. So I will link those below. They came in 2 different sets of colors. Highly recommend these masks. I've been wearing them all over the place, but we're gonna bring them all with us. I know Disney has lifted their mask restrictions, but you still have to wear them on the transportation. So the bus, the monorail, and the Skyliner. and we have to wear them at the airport. So we just decided we're gonna get new masks. And honestly, Disney is supposed to be insanely crowded when we're there because it's gonna be like spring break time frame, and we've been watching the crowd predictions and stuff. It's gonna be crazy. So I think having a mask with us wouldn't be a bad idea, just to be on the safe side. So these were great. If you're interested, description box, they'll be linked below. Up next, I bought a fanny pack. So you guys might know from previous hauls that I have a black Mickey Mouse backpack that I always bring. It's like quilted Mickey heads on the front. It's got the ears on it. I love that backpack to death. But this time I wanted to try something a little bit different because every time I have to go in and get my ID or my debit card or whatever, I've got to take that backpack off. I've got to like dig through the backpack, go into the little pocket, whatever. And it's just like behind me. It doesn't feel super secure. So this time I'm like, I'm gonna get a fanny pack. So I went on Amazon, and this one was specifically reviewed by a bunch of people who have been to Universal and Disney wearing these fanny packs, and they raved about them. So I went with this one. It comes in a bunch of different colors, and I love how many pockets there are. So there is a pocket in the back. So right there, perfect. You know, that's the part that'll be up against my body, so I don't know what we'll put in there, but we'll see. Then in the front, big pocket at the top. That'll be good for sunglasses, masks, all that. There's a strap in here too, so you could hook this to sunglasses, I guess, or to something specific that you want to keep safe. In front here, Velcro, we've got a little pocket here. And then we've got a zipper pocket next to it. This is gonna be probably where I keep my debit card and my license and stuff. It's like the perfect size for that. And the brand is Waterfly. It is waterproof, which is what I wanted because we are gonna go on like Kali River Rapids and potentially like Splash Mountain and stuff like that. So definitely wanted something waterproof. I'm excited to try it out. It's very small and like compact, and people said that you almost forget you're wearing it because it's just so lightweight and right in front of you. So I will have to report while we're on the trip how things are going with this. Brandon is still gonna bring his backpack, so we'll have like water bottles and snacks and whatever in that bag, but I will carry our smaller stuff. And I think this is gonna work out great. All right, as always, last but certainly not least, let's see the ears that I got for this trip. So I'm gonna start with the ones that are not my ears. So these are them. My friend Lindsay is loaning them to me for the trip, and I'm very excited. The ears are 3D printed Death Stars, and these break down. They each have like Velcro pieces here where you can pull the pieces all off and then just condense it down to just the headband. The bow comes off too. So that way you can like store it in a bag without worrying about this snapping or anything, because it is thin. So you want to store them very carefully. In the back here, there are some hidden Mickeys. Those are really cute right there in the middle. I love these. She bought them. I was obsessed with them. So I'm going to be wearing these at Hollywood Studios. Thank you so much, Lindsay. And I cannot remember who makes these, but I'll link them below if you guys are interested. I believe she found them through Instagram. Okay, and my last pair of ears that I purchased for this trip are once again from TheFairyGodsisters. If you haven't checked out their Etsy page by now, man, you gotta go do that. They make amazing ears. They're absolutely stunning. They have a whole couture collection, which is like really special embroidered fabrics. They're gorgeous. All those ears are based on like the princesses and stuff like that. And they have character theming ones. They have just plain ones. So this time I got these ears. These are the Rifle Paperco ears. They are going to be absolutely perfect for Flower and Garden Festival. I love them. I'm obsessed with the pattern. I love the yellow bow. It's so bright and cheerful and happy. They are just so pretty. The shipping was really fast. Once they shipped out, they were here in like 2 days all the way from California. I was very impressed, and they have just continuously had the best customer service. So I absolutely adore them and will always recommend them forever. Go check them out if you are interested in some really high quality ears. Oh, and something else is they have like cushion right here for behind your ears, so you're not like having your ears get sore all day. If you know, you know. The ones in the park, they really hurt your ears after a while. These don't do that. So if that's something that's important to you, definitely check them out. So that is it for today's haul. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Again, we didn't get as much as we usually do, but because we've racked up a lot of merchandise in the past couple years, we didn't really feel the need to go super crazy. I did already pre-purchase a new Spirit jersey, which is the one with the castle on the back. I'll probably try and show it while we're on our trip because it's down in Florida. Brandon's aunt picked it up for me because they had it in store and I wanted it like before they ran out. So I will show you guys that once we're down there. We're also going to be doing some pin collecting while we're there and hopefully get that last mystery pin because we have been trying to get the last one in this one set for literally 3 Disney trips now. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we get it this time. And I'm just so genuinely excited. We are going to Magic Kingdom twice, Epcot twice, Hollywood Studios and Animal Kingdom each once, and then we have Disney Springs days, we have the monorail day. I am just could not be more excited for this trip. We leave in just a couple of days and we're really excited to bring you guys along. There will be some vlogs this time. We will be focusing on crowd levels and how long it's taking us to get on rides and the food and drinks that we get. I think it's going to be an amazing trip and we will see you all very soon in Disney. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more Disney and cruising and related travel content. And we will see you all very soon in Orlando. Bye guys.